Do something dap.
Woo! Okay. Like you all that. No way. Running your big mouth like you all that. Nobody catch your ass when you fall.
Made in Oregon.
Never saw that. I was running through the trenches in a war match. Stop looking at me like I was your range. Okay.
And this is the Days of Thunder barn. We had to stop and get a look at it.
Goddamn life. Even my mama couldn't tell me why.
So thanks to Clay, SS Manufacturing AA, our crew chief, he gave me and the rig and the race car a place to be worked on and stay here in North Carolina. Isn't it pretty? There's like all sorts of old houses and stuff all over the place. So now we're all loaded up and on our way to Georgia. And yeah, start the third round of the 2018 season. That's that. We got to see some NASCAR stuff. We got to see the coolest go-kart track I've ever seen in my entire life. And yeah, I got to fix a few things on the car. And now we're on our way. So what do we got here, Trucker Matt? Trucker, we got a pretty standard Trucker Matt situation where things are going smoothly and you think you're on your way to Georgia and then all of a sudden all hell breaks loose. And that's the sort of situation we have. I need a blanket.
Good luck, it's not your day. Maybe next year you can take a break. No way, don't follow me. Bitch, what you want, an apology? You don't wanna be.
So we got the trailer all loaded in, the spot all taken care of. We walked around, looked at some of the Pro 2 cars. The Pro 2 stage is seriously filling up, and there's some legitimate cars and drivers that are showing up. So we were about to get back to the Airbnb, but then me and Saran spotted this, and we couldn't help but pull over.
Smoke clouds tell me float on by. I've been on my whole goddamn.
Oh, we're headed out. Stage Road, Atlanta.
Please stop acting like the old
We're here to make girlfriends so we could be cool at the dance next month.
You're a real pervert, Churdlings.
All right, well, we just finished up qualifying, and we got a good first run, which I didn't get deep into the outer zone, and I hit an intercleat, so I got an 86, I believe, and then on the second run, I did significantly better, and I got less of a score, so that's all right. So we'll see how it goes. Of course, with nothing on it. So yeah, I mean, I didn't mean to jump on Ken. Honestly, I didn't. I guess it should be wise of me to just like take the time to wait out the light. Yeah, I kind of did the old drag racer thing where I kind of like, yeah, I watched. There's five lights, and then they count down, and then once it hits the fifth light, and then all of them turn off. That's when you're supposed to go. And so I took off right before all five of them took off. Like, yeah. So that was my fault. That was stupid. I mean, I think a lot of people thought that I meant to do it on purpose, and we're kind of like, I don't know. And so, yeah, so I feel stupid about it. Sorry, Ken, I didn't mean to make a whole deal out of it. And Yeah, so, yeah, I got antsy. As soon as on my follow with Ken, I noticed that I screwed up right at the initiation. So I knew that I lost right there because they made us go into it one more time after we did our previous run. So, yeah, kind of whatever, dude, but I feel stupid. And, yeah, it's whatever. But, better times ahead. And, you know, gotta make sure you, take in when it's here, you know.